Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the KS Tools socket set with 179 pieces. Includes 1/4 plus 3/8 plus 1/2 inches socket wrench. Yes, it's a set with socket set with ratchet. Oh yeah, the big set as you can see. Let's unbox this awesome product now to have a look what's inside. Some information. The description is 6-point. It has a matte finish, chrome vanadium material, and it is in durable plastic storage case. And it is really durable because I dropped this box from 1 meter and it is still alive. But first step, the measuring 40 centimeters per 32 centimeters, of course, sorry. And the height was not so high, but it's all inside. So the profile type is 6-phase. It is extra robust. The form is knurled. It's finest chrome vanadium steel in matte finish. And it has a ratchet function. The back swing angle is 5 degrees. It has a quick release system. And yeah, it weighed 9 kilograms. And in the part are 179 pieces with 72 tooth. Let's have a look. Okay, there it is. First step. There it is. The package. Whoa. Now it's time to open it. Slide the locks up, and after this you are able to open the box immediately. First time opening now. Clack, and have a look what's inside. Yeah. Oh, there it is. The bits and the nuts on the top side. Oh, so different. This is a 1/4 bit socket. Yeah. P2, PH1, for example. And it has a 1/4 bit socket slot, 4 millimeters, 7 millimeters, and so many more. Hexagon, variable Torx, variable flat screwdriver, and there are some long nuts, for example. It has so different types of sockets. It's TX socket or bit adapter socket, for example, classic bit drive, all kinds of stuff is in this one box. You will need only this box for some work at your car, at home. There's some additional parts in it. Yeah. Oh, there are 3 spark plugs and so many extension. 1/2 inches and some extensions for all other ratchet types. Sliding T-bars and so much is in that box. And all unique parts you're able to rebuy again. It's important if you broke or or lose one of these bits, you are able to rebuy this easily. This is a small bit for the small Ratchet. Yeah. Oh, socket wrench are awesome. Let's have a look to the main product. Yeah. And there it is. Oh, so many parts. On the left side there is a 1/2 inch. In the middle is a 3/8 inch, and on the right side there is the small 1/4 inches socket wrench. Boah, big nuts, as you can see. This is a huge one. Some adapters, so many parts. But first, oh yeah, this is too. It's not so awesome. A socket wrench is a type of wrench or spanner that has a socket attached at one end, usually used to turn a fastener. And this is a 1/2 socket wrench. The most prevalent form is a ratcheting socket wrench, often infamously called a ratchet. Like this, a ratcheting socket wrench is the device with a hand tool in which a metal handle is attached to a ratcheting mechanism, which attached to a socket, which in turn fits onto a type of bolt or nut, pulled or pushed in one direction. The ratchet loosens or tightens a bolt or nut attached to the socket. Turn the other direction, the ratchet does not turn the socket but allows the ratchet handle to be repositioned for another turn while staying attached to the bolt or nut. Yeah, this ratcheting action allows the fastener to be rapidly heightened or loosened in small increments without disconnecting the tool from the fastener. Nice function. A switch is built into the ratchet head that allows to use to apply the ratcheting action in either directions as needed to tighten or loosen the fastener. Other common methods are driving socket wrenches include pneumatic impact wrenches, not like this, hydraulic torch wrenches, torch multipliers, and breaker bars. But this is a hand using socket wrench set, and this is enough for at home. Oh, or for your garage, of course. Yeah, this is awesome, and this is a big set, and it's best, and the price is nice. KH Tools says this set will cost €250. And if you are looking into the internet, you are able to buy this product under $100. Really awesome. And KH Tools has a nice quality in steel. It's really nice. And so you can use it, push it in, plug it, use the right ratchet, and then push it on top and lock it. There, 1/2 inches. Push it, quick lock. Now quick release, push the button, and you're able to extract it. The bit is easy to remove too, as you can see. Yeah, easy peasy. In this set contains so many different socket options like hexagon or some kind of normal bit, and so many different types, and there are all kind of resolvable ratchet systems and RIBE spares and tamper-proof bits, TX, all kind. And it's on the package there is a number, and on top of the nut or the bit is a number, so this will match every time in your box. This is the small Ratchet. Oh, so cute she is, or it is. Quick release, setting 2. Let's check this out. It's not so heavy. Can use it in the edges and easy to use. All bits are sorted. The right side is for the small, the middle is the middle, and on the left side it's a huge, big socket wrench. This is an additional part. Oh yeah, and there are. This is cool. It's for the edges to move with an universal joint system. This nut is awesome too, and it's in all three ratchet types included. There for the big, for the small, and the middle ratchet. Yeah, and what's also inside? Press it back in position. There's so many bits, as you can see. There's all standard use bit power. And this is cool. It's a screwdriver, and you are able to connect your ratchet inside the screwdriver to get a better unscrew or tighten feeling. So use your reversible ratchet and plug it inside this upper holding system, and you're able to use a screwdriver with your reservable ratchet system to loosen or tighten screws or bolts. Yeah, nice set. Really nice set. And you're able to connect some bits to the screwdriver too, of course. Yeah, big, huge, and cheap, high quality. There are some bit adapters for all types of ratchets. Oh yeah, big set, good quality, easy to use. So that it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.